Yearly horoscope about love for Scorpios. Many assume, given your sultry, sexy, sensual nature, that you are someone who loves them and leaves them. Nothing could be farther from the truth, at least once you make a commitment. In other words, Scorpio, once a lover earns your trust, you are there for them through thick and thin. Of course, this fine trait spans all of your relationships, but you are known for being a lover like no other. When someone wins your affection, they can count on a profoundly deep and satisfying romantic connection. You do have to curb and manage a tendency to be jealous, though. This could be your downfall if you don't keep this in check. Likewise, you sometimes revert to keeping secrets, even harmless secrets, and that also has the potential to erode trust in relationship. This year, work on managing these traits so that your love life can be as fulfilling as it promises to be. If you are single, you could have a rather exciting year ahead. There may be quite a few admirers looking your way, and if you want to date, there will be some interesting and fun romantic candidates to choose from. Even so, if you are still single, you may experience a stronger and stronger yearning to settle down this year, and you may meet someone in some unusual way, such as in a waiting line, or you might discover the sibling of a friend who has every good quality on your list. That's just an example. But the one you meet could come to you in a quirky, surprising manner, and if you are attached, you may rev up your love life with a new dating ritual, such as making a date for a wine tasting, visiting the haunts of historic figures, or some such odd type of date.